Artificial intelligence is no longer just a concept from science fiction. It's shaping the world around us, revolutionizing industries, enhancing daily life, and pushing the boundaries of human imagination. Artificial intelligence is transforming the financial world, reshaping how we save, invest, and manage money. From Wall Street to Main Street, AI is creating opportunities and redefining the way we think about finance. AI can help you create content faster than ever before, making it a game changer for bloggers, YouTubers, and social media influencers. Freelancers can boost their income by offering services enhanced with AI tools. Launch your own online store and let AI do the heavy lifting for you, from product descriptions to inventory management. AI-driven platforms can help you make smarter investments, whether in stocks, crypto, or real estate. If you're skilled in a particular field, AI can help you scale your expertise by creating courses, ebooks, or virtual coaching services. AI isn't just for technical tasks. It's helping creators make art, music, and videos that they can sell online. If you're tech-savvy, you can create your own AI-based product or service, like chatbots, apps, or analytics platforms. Whether you're an artist, an entrepreneur, or just someone looking for extra income, AI offers endless possibilities to earn and innovate. The only limit is your imagination. So, use AI to boost your income. Like this video and subscribe to the channel.